Hi everyone, my name is Riwan. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I am currently seeking a remote opportunity as a sales development representative or a business development representative. While this would be my first official SDR or BDR role, my past experience in cold calling, customer service, and recruitment has given me a strong foundation to succeed in this field. Over the past 3 years, I have handled high volumes of inbound and outbound calls. I follow structured scripts while keeping conversations natural and developed the ability to manage objections and build strong rapport with clients quickly. I consistently worked under pressure to meet daily and weekly targets and maintain detailed records of calls, leads, and follow-ups to stay organized, consistent, and on track. In every role, I focused on mastering my responsibilities. I learn quickly, adapt easily to new systems and challenges, always aim to improve my performance, and I'm committed to continuous growth. I'm confident using Microsoft Office tools like Word, Excel, and Outlook, as well as Slack, Google Sheets, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and Ready Mode, which is the dialer I used in my previous cold calling role. I may not be familiar with every platform for sure, but I'm always eager to learn whatever is needed to do the job well. Arabic is my native language. I'm fluent in English and I'm currently learning French. I also hold a bachelor's degree in economics and international trade. That was it. That was a brief overview of my background, and I would love the opportunity to connect, learn more about the role you're hiring for, and take on a new challenge that helps me grow both personally and professionally. Thank you again for watching. I'm excited to grow in this field and contribute to a great team. Have a great day.